Does a traditional cheap wooden toothpick replace a string floss or even an expensive water floss? The answer may surprise you. Whilst these traditional toothpicks may seem to be somewhat easy to find and buy, as well as cheap in cost, and to a certain degree, some may argue may be a bit efficient at removing big chunks of food between your teeth. These are actually very dangerous in my opinion because they are very highly prone to the fracture of their tip, which is the part that goes in between your teeth. Now once that part fractures and goes into your gums, that may cause gum swelling, gum inflammation, and a lot of problems because your body treats this as a foreign body. This is where the complications come from.